Hello everyone, big day today. I am getting that trailer. This one will be my workshop slash house for a little while until I build a real house. Eh bien salut! J'aimerais pouvoir recréer des petites boutiques.
So I'm trying to use metal to have no skewing for the big windows that are gonna be here. Yesterday I've put the wheels back on, I've finished the paint, I've cut it my first plies that fit right just in for the floor. So today I'm putting insulation with the spacers, the top, and then I can start my 2x6 walls. That's my door. Finish.
Well, hello curious human. It's been a little while, I haven't put any video of the tiny house built. So it's moving forward. Again, not as fast as I wished. Yesterday I finally came up to this shape here because I'm gonna try to do something not too boxy. So Gonna have a little bit of a shape up there, a little bit of a shape down there. So it's exciting because in the back here I've got a 6-inch wall, which is quite thick already, and here I'm gonna have even more insulation, and then I'm gonna have the outside cladding. I've got a door made. It's one of the latest things. So this door is made on a pivot, so you can see it's rotating from here instead of on the edges, and I really like that motion. It's really interesting. So that's the inside here. As you can see, I've got some things here so I can put my tools. It's very nice because it's pretty high ceiling, and I've got also that very nice skylight which really splits the roof in half, and we'll see how it goes. So this evening I'm doing a little fun project. Here I wanted to do a water feature. So I've got a plastic container here. There's some water in there. There's also a little pump. And then I've got a hose that comes up to here, on here, and comes back up over there. Just to start playing with rocks. Ta-da! All right. Yeah, print that thing. Ta-da! It's waking up. Building. I have a few products I'm trying to finish. We are still on evacuation order. So here it's a temporary thing. It's just stairs with planters, and then over the winter, because I had windows and some roofing kicking around, I quickly put that together, which allowed me to have a space to actually sand and things like this. A mini split installation. So we have the vacuum pumps here with the service line, the low pressure side going into the service port, and I am about to release the refrigerant. If it fails, then that's not too great. So I released 1 bar of refrigerant in the line, and it's been holding properly. I've done it myself. I hope I can learn and do it proper, so that now it's a new skill. Installers around here want you to buy their unit, so that's a pain in the ass. Anyway, I'm gonna do this because it's getting pretty hot. We're gonna have record breaking hot. Okay, so please, good Lord. Oh yeah. I don't see bubbles, that's a good sign. Let's see. Moments of truth. It's on. So now what I need to do is test run. Connect power to unit. Cool. Select lowest possible temperature. Mode. Whoop. Mode cool. Select the lowest possible temperature. So here the 62. Please tell me you can change that freaking unit. 62. I have no clue what the fuck is 62. But apparently that's the lowest.